んにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today, grammar video number 123 and we are going to learn adverb. もっと It means more. もっと is adverb of degree, more quantity. This is very easy, but very useful to know it because we use it so many times in a conversation. So let's see many examples. Oh, how yummy these cookies. Give me more. このクッキー、おいしいね。もっとちょうだい。このクッキーおいしいね。もっとちょうだい。This expression, ちょうだい, it is similar as ください. But ください is very polite way to ask for something. But ちょうだい it is casual way. Give me, ちょうだい. Anyway, you can watch my expression video number 11. And there I explain all about ちょうだい. Because sometimes ちょうだい can be very, very respectful way too. Oh, if you eat more, you'll get fat. This sentence is conditional using と. You can watch my video, the previous video, 122 of the grammar video, and I explain about the dictionary form and と. In this case, the verb 食べます to eat. So if you eat, and we must change this one to the dictionary form 食べます、食べる、食べると. In this case, the first sentence just before と in this clause, if you do something or if something happens, 100% sure after this follows. もっと食べると、もっと食べると、太りますよ。もっと食べると、太りますよ。I wanna study Japanese much more. The verb to study, 勉強します。And if I wanna say, I wanna study, then this 勉強します and must form without must. Then 勉強し. This is the root. 勉強し. Then we add たいです。勉強したいです。I wanna study. もっと日本語を勉強したいです。もっと日本語を勉強したいです。もっと日本語を勉強したいです。Quick, quick, come on, more quickly. Speedy, as an adjective, we say 早い with this kanji, but い. This is い adjective, 早い. But when we say quickly, fast, faster, quick, quick, then it means please come here quickly, please come here quick. This is adverb actually. So in this case, instead of 早い, this い we change to く, 早く. This is adverb. 早く、早く、もっと早く. We can also exaggerate much more, not only more, much, much, much more. In this case, this adverb もっと, we are gonna use it twice. もっともっと早く. 24 hours a day is very little. I want more time. When it is written like number 1 and this kanji, day, then we can pronounce 1日. It means the first day of January, first day of February. So the day, the first, 1日. So the first day of each month, we say 1日. But writing in the same way, like this, we can also pronounce in different way, 1日. When we say 1日, it's the duration of one day. So when we say 1日24時間, it means 24 hours a day. 1日24時間は少ないです。もっと時間が欲しいです。1日24時間は少ないです。もっと時間が欲しいです。I wanna sleep more. もっと寝たいです。もっと寝たいです。I must practice more 漢字 もっと漢字を練習しなければなりません。もっと漢字を練習しなければなりません。もっと漢字を練習しないといけません。Do you remember when we must say, I must do something, I have to do something, then this something, in this case, 練習します to practice 練習します。Then we must think in theないform 練習しない練習しない and instead of this ない練習し then we change to なければなりません練習しなければなりません or 練習しないといけません I must practice. Oh, excuse me, but I don't understand. Please speak more slowly. すみません。わかりません。もっとゆっくり話してください。もっとゆっくり話してください。すみません。わかりません。もっとゆっくり話してください。These two adverbs are just opposite. 早く quickly ゆっくり slowly. So for example, 早く食べる to eat quickly. ゆっくり食べる to eat slowly. I've already made a very interesting video about this expression すみません. That is in my expression video number 6. In this video, number 6 of expression, I talk about the origin of this word or this expression すみません. Let's hurry up more. The verb to hurry up 急ぎます急ぎます and if I say 急ぎましょう let's hurry up もっと急ぎましょうもっと急ぎましょう I wanna play more もっと遊びたいもっと遊びたい I wanted to talk to you more I just said I wanted to talk This is the past tense How can we do it? Well, 話します to speak. At first, 話したいです I wanna talk. This is present. I want to talk. But this たいです this part, we must change just like the E adjective. So we conjugate. It means, if I say 話したいです I wanna talk. 話したくないです I don't want to talk. 話したかったです I wanted to talk. This is the past. I wanted to talk. 話したかったです。話したくなかったです。This is I didn't want to talk. もっとあなたともっとあなたと話したかったです。もっとあなたと話したかったです。The clothes became much cheaper on sale. This word, bargain sale, or in many occasions we only say sale. It is on sale, or like a bargain price. セールで、or バーゲンセールで、洋服がもっと安くなりました。バーゲンセールで洋服がもっと安くなりました。To become cheap, we say at first 安い。This is adjective, E adjective. 安い、cheap, economical, 安い。But なります。This is to become or to get cheaper. Then instead of 安い, we must change to adverb. 安くなります。To get cheap. Or it got cheap. 安くなりました。It became cheap. I want to have more confidence in myself. Self-confidence, we say 自信. And this 自 comes from 自分. It means oneself. And 信, this is, comes from the verb 信じます. To believe. To believe in oneself. So this is self-confidence, 自信. To have self-confidence, we say with this verb, 持ちます to have. And this is transitive verb. So we need を、自信を持ちます。もっと自信を持ちたいです。もっと自信を持ちたいです。Today, it's much colder than yesterday. This is the comparative sentence. And this もっと, this adverb means degree and more quantity. So this もっと, this adverb is very often used in comparative sentence. 今日は昨日より、今日は昨日よりもっと寒いです。今日は昨日よりもっと寒いです。I wanna be better at playing tennis, but much better. In this case, we're gonna use this な adjective. 上手。上手な。This means skillful. Skillful. So, 上手になります。To become better or to become more skillful. Because this is な adjective, then we're gonna change instead of な、に。And this なります to become. 上手になります。To be more skillful. But in this sentence, it's not, I'm going to be good. I'm going to be skillful. Not like this. I want to be skillful. So, なりたいです。もっとテニスが上手になりたいです。もっとテニスが上手になりたいです。Today you studied a lot of examples using もっと more, the degree, much more, okay? So now this is the quiz time with 5 translations into Japanese. 1番目 I want to live in a bigger house. 2番目 This book was also interesting. Yeah, interesting. But the movie was much more interesting. 3番目 Well, this is going to be a little bit difficult because this is the conditional sentence using と. If I drink more alcohol or if I drink more お酒 I'll have a pain in my head. I'll have a headache. 4番目 Please get up earlier tomorrow. 5番目最後です。Let's go to the cheaper store. Today you learned this adverb もっと more, much more. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And please help me by sharing my videos with your friends. いかがでしたか？今日はこの副詞、もっと、これを使ってたくさんの例文を見てきました。全然難しくなかったと思います。とても簡単なのに、でもこのもっとを使うと表現がもっと豊かになります。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン、そしてチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。それからお願いがあります。私のビデオをお友達に紹介してください。少しでも多くの方に私のビデオを見ていただいて、日本語を学んでいただけたら本当に嬉しいです。そして日本が好きになってくれる人がもっと増えたら本当に嬉しいです。これからもこのように少しずつレベルアップしながら日本語を教えていきますから、ぜひ応援お願いいたします。では、また次のビデオでお会いできるのを楽しみにしています。絶対に来てください。じゃあね。